Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
This stretch of Fremont Street marks the transition between identities of downtown Las Vegas. At one end stands the Fremont Street Experience, known for its massive overhead canopy and historic casinos. Just beyond the canopy, the street opens up into a different environment that blends classic Las Vegas nostalgia with newer urban revitalisation projects. The open-air section showcases older storefronts, independent bars, small restaurants, and long-established local businesses that have been part of Fremont Street for decades. Many of the buildings along this corridor date back to the mid-20th century, when this part of Las Vegas expanded beyond the original casino cluster. Their facades reflect a mix of preserved vintage signage and updated fronts designed to modernise the area while keeping its original character visible. Public art installations are placed throughout this section, murals, sculptural pieces, and painted walls that form part of downtown's overall commitments to creative redevelopment. This district became a focus for urban renewal projects starting in the early 2010s, encouraged by local entrepreneurs and community organisations working to attract foot traffic beyond the casino zone. Along the route, the architecture transitions from older low-rise commercial buildings into more modern retail spaces and boutique businesses. This part of Fremont Street has received significant investment from local projects that aim to diversify downtown beyond gaming. Pop-up shops, coffee houses, and specialty stores have moved into the area, creating a blend of traditional Las Vegas atmosphere with newer creative influences. The sidewalks here are lined with local landmarks, from long-standing bars to restored mid-century buildings. Many of these storefronts host small galleries, vintage collectibles, or eateries that represent the growth of independent business in downtown. The street layout remains consistent with the historic Las Vegas grid, giving the area a straightforward, walkable feel that contrasts with the themed environments found in the Strip resorts. Continuing through this open section leads into the Fremont East Entertainment District, an area built around restaurants, cocktail bars, and nightlife venues that were added during downtown's revitalization efforts. Classic neon signs, some original, others newly installed in retro style, identify each spot along the street, emphasizing the district's connection to Las Vegas's visual heritage. The corridor eventually leads to downtown Container Park, a retail and dining complex built from repurposed shipping containers. Although the park is its own destination, the walk between the Experience and Container Park represents the broader transformation of this part of the city. It highlights how downtown Las Vegas has evolved from a historic casino hub into a mixed-use district of small businesses, community projects, and creative ventures. This stretch of Fremont Street shows the layers of the city's development, historic casinos behind, modern community spaces ahead, and a corridor that mixes both worlds through architecture, public art, and a shifting landscape of independent enterprises.
Call my dad and tell me how to park somewhere else because of the fucking.
I have to use yours in the plane.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.